This is Trading Wings market review for Wednesday, October 31st. The start of the day on the daily chart, the Qs were looking like this with a bottoming tail coming right off the 200 MA. So we were hoping for, after a series of down days, hoping for some type of a bounce today was my expectation going into the morning. If we go back to last Friday, you can see that we broke this previous low, but then the gap appeared to the breakdown appeared to fail, and we made a higher high here. Now on Friday we pulled back and made a possible lower high, and we're in no man's land here. We could either go up or go down from here. If we went up, there'd just be a lot of resistance up this way. But my expectation is that we, at the start of the morning, that we could see some type of a bounce here if it could hold these lows. So let me go over a few of the plays that we did. We had 4 plays today in the room. 3 of them produced results. The 4th one was a break even. So all in all, it was a good day overall. Over a 7-hour day overall in all the trades that we took. So the first one I'd like to go over is WCG. If we go to daily chart, WCG was a gap down under green under this huge base. It was a very big shock gap. If we go to a 2-minute chart, you'll see that we had a base here, and the call was to short just under this base, and you can see at the low of the base here was 51.15. So once it broke, which occurred right here, that was our entry. And then from there, you can see it fell very quickly from 51 all the way down to 47 area very quickly. So the call, I took 1/2 at 48.12, and if you then it continued to drop further. I took another half right here over the high of this bar. So the exit was right there based on the high of that bar. That's where I took another quarter. And the last part was taken, if we go to a 5-minute chart, it's taken right here over the high of this bar at 40, right around 48.12. Overall, it was a 3.6-hour trade. It was an excellent trade to start the day. I would like to go over one other call that we did make in the room today, and that was on General Motors, GM. General Motors was a gap up and was showing extreme relative strength as the market wasn't doing anything to start the morning. And you can see that demonstrated on a 5-minute chart. After the initial pullback this morning, just started to take off. I knew right here at 10 o'clock on this pullback here, this was a really, right at the highlight, this was a really good entry, and took GM here over 24.74, and the stop was at least underneath that bar. You can see below that bar was 24.62. So the entry was right here. And if you move on, you can see it kept making higher highs, higher low, another higher high, another higher low. And finally, right here on the low of this bar, 25.18, is where I went ahead and should have taken it all, but I did at 25.16. And overall, it was a 2.7-hour trade. I wish I had part of that back, because you can see it did break the low here at 25.18, came all the way down to 25.15, so it broke this low by 3 cents. But then you can see the rest of the day it went up, and if I used a 5-minute pivot method, would have held in that back half for 25.50, on back quarter for 25.50. So on that extra quarter, I could have made another couple R's just on that back quarter alone if I had just a little bit more patience. But overall, it was an excellent day. It was over a 7-hour trade day in the room. Out of 4 trades, 3 were winners, 1 was a break even. If you'd like to learn more, go to tradingwings.com. $25 a month, you can be a member and see how we do these things every day. Take care.